Cambodia, a country rich in ancient tradition and natural beauty, including large areas of forest. But illegal logging compounded with the excessive fuel consumption means the forests of Cambodia are going up in smoke. The Cambodia Fuelwood Saving Project, CFSP, aims to curb the rampant deforestation. A key part of the work is reduced demand for charcoal through the use of an improved fuel-efficient stove.
The main cause of deforestation is basically a combination between illegal logging and the charcoal production. In 96-97, I passed this area, and this area was forest. I didn't know what happened during the last 10 years, but presumably it is because of the logging and also because of the charcoal production. People cut the trees and then they make charcoal, and then yeah, you can see it's no more forest here. The consumption in the urban areas is quite high. It is about 90,000 tons only for Phnom Penh city per year. And they do not use the efficient device to cook.
Currently, there is no realistic alternative to charcoal for cooking. So CFSP have redesigned the traditional stove, making it more efficient and cutting the amount of charcoal used by 22%.
Most of the families, they use this stove. We consider it as a traditional stove. Then based on this, we introduce new design adopted from Thailand. This is combustion chamber. We forced to make this smaller, so then you cannot put big quantity of charcoal. We make the grate with 37 holes distributed evenly, so then distribution of the air gives you better combustion. The metal cover is up to the top of the edge of the stove. Then it is more durable, stronger, and we put a refractory liner made of rice husk ash mixed with clay. So the heat here, it will reflecting back inside. This insulator is made of rice husk ash in order to prevent the heat loss from the combustion chamber.
Traditional stoves have been popular in Cambodia for many years. CFSP has taken advantage of this existing thriving market to introduce the improved stove.
We train the producers on how to produce a new design, how to manage improved stove production, how to do the quality control, and we gather all of the producers and distributors into an association.
The new stove costs 3 times the price of the traditional stove, but the consumers understand that the advantages and savings outweigh the additional cost.
The traditional stove is much cheaper but uses a lot more fuel. 1 kilogram of charcoal with traditional stove lasts only 2 days, but with my new stove may last 3 to 4 days.
Not only does it save charcoal, but it cooks faster and is more durable. It is more expensive, costs 20,000 reals, but lasts much longer.
Ensuring that the stoves are popular with the users and that stove production can generate a profit for small-scale businesses is critical for the long-term success of the project.
The main objective of CFSP in promoting improved stove through commercialization is that we want to reduce the consumption of wood. The second is that we want this dissemination program running in sustainable way. So, stove producers prefer to produce the improved stove simply because they got more profit. Also the retailer and the middleman also enjoy the same profit as the producers. I believe that if we can maintain this condition, then the commercialization of improved stove in Cambodia will going on itself without any support from the project.
I can get more income now, about 3 times more than with the traditional stove. Before I had a small house, now I'm able to build a bigger house. I can repair this house and have a better living condition.